Guys, something simple to do and to look after. This is, watch, it's bone dry. See? I can put some oil in there, but you can also use a bit of chain grease. That works also very nice. Creeps in. So let's do that. I have a motul, chain MC care, chain loop, a road. Okay. It's for a road bike. Okay. Now, let's up. Wiggle it in. Also on that pivot where that spring rides. There. Okay. Hop. Okay, let's see. Okay. Yes, that's much better. See? Guys, 122,000 kilometers. I like it. Yeah, it has some play, but yeah, guys, this one is from 2007. So still here a bit. Don't know what it is, but a bit. Let's put. Maybe I didn't shake too long. Not too long, not long enough. Okay, let's give it a bit more. Okay. This one over there. Okay. Wiggle it in. It's that rust that comes loose now. Yes, yeah, that's much better, I think. Okay. Yes. Another thing, guys, is this. Oh, wait a minute. Get you closer. Guys, this center stand, as you can see, it's rusted. Now watch, I'm gonna get it up in the air with my winch, and then we're gonna lubricate that too. Yes. Oh. Oh, guys, listen. Okay. This is already much better. And of course, with that spring rides over there. Yeah, it hangs in, and he rides summer and winter, eh? So that's already much better, but we have to give it a clean. A bit. Yes. That's great. Oh. Well done, old mechanic. This. Clean it a bit more. See, now it starts to become grease, which is good. Huh? That's what stuff needs to do. Wow. Now guys, here. I hate squeaky noises. Blah. Then we use a tiny bit of, and over there too. Yes. And over here we have his brother. This goes a bit not smooth. I'm not sure if it's often used. So I'm gonna pick. Oh, oh. It starts to become an old bike. Guys, have you seen this? I never have seen a rubber of the gear shifter that's that much worn. Yes, wait a minute, I'm gonna show you. Come on over. Watch. Have you seen it here? Wait a minute, like this. Da 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 da. And over here. So he shifts here and with his toe. But it's still functioning great, guys. Here, it still goes smooth. Not normal. Guys, the lever is not that smooth. It's also rusted here and there. So yeah, now it comes all the way back. Yeah, that's better. But it hasn't got any play. It's much overlooked. Up. Test that yourself. Important, because sometimes the pistons get stuck in your caliper, and then your brake starts to, it doesn't come loose all the way. So see, now it comes all the way back. This is much better. This is also a bit rusty. Rusty, the rainbow reindeer. Okay. Bit up and over there. Hop. Wiggle it in. Yes. Oh. Oh. So. Okay. Yes. Up. Clean it a bit. So, yes. Okay. This one. Up. A bit over there. Okay. Maybe he fell. Not sure. More. Could be. That's always good when you're doing your own maintenance. Eh? You're always scanning for loose bolts or things that might have cracked. Yamaha is really, whoa, guys. I remember placing a Hyper Pro rear shock absorber, and because of one bolt that was in the factory set from this side to that side, I had to dismantle the whole exhaust until the front. I still remember that. Oh, normally that's a job of, well, let's say half an hour, But now it was 1.5 days, if not longer, for me. So, yes, see, comes back perfectly like it used to be. Okay. Guys, it was a quick video. How to make your bike happy and yourself. Lubricating few parts. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, give me thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, of course. And for now, Old Mechanic out.